Good afternoon, everyone. Happy New Year to everyone. So far, I haven't done any video for a very long time, but today I'm bringing you another video. This one is not related to solar; it's a different stuff. Well, while I open the box, we will see what we have here today, and then you will know what I have for this year, what I will be doing this year. This year is another set of videos I'm bringing to all my friends and subscribers. Okay, this box already opened by customs because they wanted to examine the cargo. So I have two of them here. Both of them is open already. So let me just unfold it and we'll see what's in here. Okay, open it. Okay, see what we have here. We have this is a Ebike controller. Okay. Ebike controller. It is rated. Model number is, I think it's MQ7245. The 45 is 45 amp. Yeah, or current. And then it's a brushless pure sine wave controller. Okay, so let me dip more in the box to see what we have again. This is the wires for the controller. One is for the phase wire, the battery, the throttle, and the e-bike brakes. Okay, now we put that on the side. Okay, this box I've not opened yet. Let me open this small one. Be patient with me. I'm doing everything with one hand because I have to hold the phone and try to open the box and to pull out the stuff from the box. Okay. And we have this nylon here. This nylon. Okay. This is the throttle. It's a hold throttle, twist throttle. Okay. Put this on the side. This is what else out in the box. This is the next handlebar. Next rubber you can put on the handlebar. This one goes on the left. Okay. And then in that little box we have the torque arm and the pedal sensor. So when you pedal the bike, this is it can help you to pedal the bike easy and make the bike to move faster. Okay. That's what it is. Torque arm. Okay. Okay, this is the whole kit for the pedal sensor. Okay. And in this box, in this package we have the e-bike. We have the e-bike brakes lever. So what that brake lever can do for you, anytime you pull the lever, it will help to shut down the motor, so at least you will use less brakes, and it is very good. So it is very good for emergency as well too. So the motor will stop while you pull it, and then you will be using less brakes. That's two in it. That's one for the left, one for the right. Okay. Don't pressure this me because I'm using one hand. Okay, that's both of them. That's both of them. Okay, I'm putting them on the side. Let me see. Throttle. We have the pedal sensor, the torque arm, the throttle, the handlebar grip, and the e-bike brake lever on left and on right. Here is the cable. Those two cables will be hooking up to the controller. The controller normally carry a low brake and a high brakes. Let me see what we have in the other box. That other box, let me see. One minute, let me share with me. This is the display. With this you can program the bike. You can program the speed, how fast you want the bike to go, and you can program the mileage or kilometers. And then we have this little remote on the side. That's the remote you're using to program the controller. Okay. See, it has the battery bar, speed, mode, and PS. PS is for the pedal. Okay. Let's put this on the side. Okay. Yeah, more stuff to put out. Okay. And then we have our 1500 watts hub motor. Very nice. It comes with a tire. It has a good bit of weight. It's heavy. Very heavy. It is very heavy. It has a good bit of weight. If you look at the wire, it has one wire for the phase, and the other one is for the hollow section. Sorry, the whole. I just forget the name. Okay. This electric hub motor is very big. It's a 20-inch by 4 inches rim. Okay. And then it comes with a. Let me turn it around. It comes with a 7-speed. 7-speed sprocket. Okay. Model number is TFNP. FTNBP 170230080 That's the model number of that hub. But it's a 1500 watts. But normally the controller I'll be running, but that controller will be make it push at least about maybe almost 3,000 watts. About 2,000 to 3,000 watts. Now let me go to the next box. The next box I have there right now. The next box I have, we have the battery in there. It's a Nbpower battery, 20S. The battery can charge up to 73 volts. Okay, let's look at the specs on it. See, 60 volt, 25 amp hours. Okay, Nbpower battery pack. Okay, here is the battery, the positive lead and the negative lead. They put scotch so that the wires would not short circuit. Okay, let's look at it again. 60 volts at 25 amp hours. Okay, this battery I had to make a box for it, so I have this be sealed when I have it on the bike. This bike will be probably I'll have to make that bike from scratch on my hands to do all the weldings, put a swing arm. I ordered the shocks for it already, so I'll build that bike very beefy, very strong, because in our island of here we have a lot of hills, climbing up hills and down hills, and then the road is not that too good in it too, because that bike I'll be using for work every day, to go up and down for work. Now we see what else I have in the box. Okay, we have two Anderson connectors. Okay, this one normally you have this one, probably one of them have to go to the church, the e-bike controller, and the other one will be going to the battery. Okay, and then here is the wire for the charging. So by all means I have to build a battery box to put a battery in it, and then I will screw this on the side. The battery box will be well sealed. I'll use silicone, make sure that well sealed so no water can go inside that box. Okay, so it have the same leads on the battery, that's to charge the battery and to discharge the battery. This battery have a good weight. It weighs at 29 pounds. I ordered this kit from before Christmas, just arrived to St. Lucia, because you know I'm living in the full world. I live on the island. Anything we order, it have to come by sea or by ship. By ship it takes normally about 2 weeks before it arrive here. Plus they have to deliver to Miami, from Miami, then it have to come down to the Caribbean. Okay, these are the stuff I have. These are all the stuff I have there. Let me go look at it again. Okay, that's the pedal sensor, the battery monitor, torque arm, throttle, and the e-bike brake lever, the grip for the left, and the controller. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be making another video while I will be building that bicycle. And this is my old anyway, my two-stroke bicycle. I just use this most of the time to go to work and around the area. Okay, it's a 80cc. It is really good, really nice. So I've been watching a gentleman video on YouTube for a while, and he's the one. I see he built a lot of bike with those hub motor. He's fit on hub motor, and he talk about it. He said it is a very, very, very good hub motor. So I take his word on his video. So I bought it. That guy name is Ebike Guy. That's his name on YouTube. He's very good in building electric bicycles. He have a bike called the Tommy bike. Man, this is one of the best mountain bike I see, electric bike I see on YouTube. This bike do 100 of plus miles. Okay, stay tuned. There'll be another video coming on soon.